Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today I want to show you guys another update, but this kind of update I know you guys are actually familiar with it, so I'm just going to be quick with it so that you can actually implement it and make good profit to yourself. So without wasting much time, I am Crypto001. What I post on this channel is all about cryptocurrency, how you can make money with cryptocurrency. Before you jump into this arbitrage, you first of all need to have Ethereum, because you are going to use Ethereum to buy the coin, and then after buying the coin you now go and sell it to USDT and make your profit. So what we need to do now is, first of all, let's start this arbitrage with $100. So with our $100, we are going to, let's say, $100, that is 100 USDT. So let's say with our 100 USDT, we are going to have 0.0337 worth of Ethereum. So let's click on the Ethereum. Okay, let's copy the amount of Ethereum we have. Once you copy it now move to, so this is the coin here. Now click on the coin. This is the coin SHFT slash Ethereum. So we now paste in the amount of Ethereum we have here. Once we press in the 100, once we press in the $100 worth of Ethereum, or the 100 USDT worth of Ethereum, this is what we are going to have. You can see the amount here, amount of SHFT we are going to have. Now we copy it. Once you copy it, we now move to, so once you are here, what you need to do is to paste in the amount of SHFT you have. Now paste it here. You can see we have made a profit of 9 USDT. So if you can actually carry out this arbitrage right now, you are going to make profit. Okay, so I just said, let me just drop this quick. So if you are interested in this kind of arbitrage, please subscribe to my channel, like the video and share my video so that it will get to others people